Alright, rapid recall on heart sounds for nurses. Goal: identify normal, flag abnormal, document clearly. Step 1, placement. APT-M, think ape to man. Aortic, right, second intercostal space at sternal border. Pulmonic, left, second intercostal. Tricuspid, left lower sternal border, fourth to fifth intercostal space. Mitral, the apex, left, fifth intercostal, mid-clavicular line. Step 2, tools. Use the diaphragm for high-pitched sounds. S1, S2, most murmurs. Use the bell for low-pitched sounds. S3, S4, mitral stenosis. Warm it. Minimize noise. Step 3, the basics. S1 equals lub, AV valves close, best heard at the apex. S2 equals dub, semilunar valves close, best heard at the base. Normal S2 split with inspiration is okay. Fixed, wide, or paradoxical split, not okay, report. Extra sounds. S3, lub dub ta, think volume overload or CHF in adults. Normal in kids and athletes. Bell at apex, left lateral. S4, te lub dub, stiff ventricle from HTN or ischemia. Bell at apex, left lateral. Clicks and snaps. Ejection clicks from aortic or pulmonic. Opening snap from mitral stenosis. Pericardial friction rub. Scratchy. Best at left sternal border with patient leaning forward at end expiration. Murmurs. Classify fast. Timing. Systolic versus diastolic. Remember, diastolic is danger until proven otherwise. Location and radiation. Aortic murmurs radiate to the carotids. Mitral murmurs radiate to the axilla. Pitch and quality. Blowing, harsh, or rumbling. Intensity, grade 1 through 6. Maneuvers. Sit up, lean forward, and exhale for aortic regurgitation. Left lateral decubitus position for mitral stenosis. Hand grip increases afterload. AR and MR louder, AS softer. Valsalva makes hypertrophic cardiomyopathy louder. Rate and rhythm. Count the apical pulse for a full minute if irregular. Identify irregularly irregular. Think AFib. Regularly irregular. Think PAX. Documentation snapshot. RRR, S1, S2 normal. No, S3, S4. No murmurs, no rubs. Apical 84, irregularly irregular. Best heard at apex. Be specific on location, timing, grade, and maneuvers. Heads, pearls. Faster rates, innocent flow murmurs common. Diastolic or harsh hollow systolic murmurs in kids. Always evaluate. When to escalate now, chest pain. Syncope, new diastolic murmur. Acute shortness of breath with S3. New loud murmur grade 3 or greater. Fever with a new murmur. Consider endocarditis risk. Practice tip. Find a quiet room. Have the patient hold breath at end expiration. Compare to the carotid upstroke to time systole. Recheck with both bell and diaphragm. That's your 2-minute heart sound toolkit. Save it, practice it, nail it.